We're really trying to create an MCC for you that is a tool and an assistance to your car wash process, not just a device that you have to buy. We want it to be there to help you, to guide you, and to, again, be a tool that you can count on, is reliable, and really going to move your wash to the next level. Hi, Gavin Klami here, Product Development Manager for Innovative Car Wash Equipment, showing you our all-new Smart MCC offering. So really, the MCC is a device that for many wash operators is just a need-to-have item, but you don't necessarily understand what it can provide to you and how it can assist you in your wash operations. So what we're really trying to do here is bring that device into your wash in a way that's helpful and really is going to guide your wash process and assure that you're always having the proper amount of uptime and customer experience that you're looking for. On our devices here, using Rockwell PowerFlex 525 drives, very robust, very ubiquitous within industry, really a solid compact VFD offering for any of your applications that you're going to want to have speed control or other more fine motor control applications. We also have a smart starter system, so an Ethernet controlled smart starter system from Schneider Electric, Thesis Island. That's going to allow us to get some feedback from a starter application. So if you're going to be running your blowers or something similar across a starter, but you want to understand energy consumption, you want to understand if that device is in a fault state or not, this is going to give you some of those additional onboard communication options. And overall for us, highly customizable. So depending on the size of your wash application, how many devices downstream you're trying to control, we really can design a motor center for you in any way that you need to. The other side of the Smart MCC offering for us is the user interface. So we have an onboard HMI that's going to allow you to interface with this device in many different ways that are going to be intuitive and quick for you to understand and utilize. So if you want to change motor speeds, operations, any sort of alarming features, you can do that right from the HMI. One, that's quicker, it's more straightforward for the user. It also keeps your downstream employees out of high voltage and out of harm's way. So very, very rarely are you ever going to need to be in the enclosure. Everything can now be done from the HMI itself. It brings all of those features that may otherwise need to be done within the enclosure right to a touchscreen monitor on the front of the device. We're really trying to create an MCC for you that is a tool and an assistance to your car wash process, not just a device that you have to buy. We want it to be there to help you, to guide you, and to, again, be a tool that you can count on, is reliable, and really going to move your wash to the next level.